the Philippines, home to thousands of species of flora and fauna.
A center of diversity indeed.
From its nature
to its people,
like us, different minds working together towards one ASEAN.
Education is our best tool to protect the environment. I am Jan Joseph, and for me, the power of education and youth movement is unstoppable.
industrial wastes are poisoning the environment. I am Cire, striving to find solutions to industrial runoff, dumping factory waste into bodies of water and greenhouse emissions.
The struggles of inequality is that its impacts are greater for the marginalized. I am Celestine, and I believe that we can create a more just world by amplifying their voices.
In a fragmented world, nations should move together as one through diplomacy. I am Dana, and I partake in promoting the role of unity and collective effort as the means to achieve global development.
A writer is not only an artist, but also an educator. I'm Jess, and while telling the story of the masses, I empower the out-of-school youth through literacy drives.
Ecosystem services are essential for human health, yet they are often taken for granted. I am Christian, and I strive to advance human perspective towards environmental protection and sustainable use of resources.
I'm Warren, and I want to bridge the gap between legislators and the civil society by championing public participation in the planning of sustainable communities.
Towards one ASEAN,
We
are
are
Saribuhay.